Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to multiply such numbers when there is a negative sign. Many students see these questions and they feel like this guy here. So let's make it easy. The first thing is, let's look at the first question. 3 times 2. We all know it's just 6. Now, what if it was minus 3 times minus 2? If it's negative times negative, the teachers always say it's positive. So negative 3 times negative 2 is just 6 also. Now from these two questions, we will make a rule. If they are both positive, like 3 and 2, or they are both negative, like negative 3 and negative 2, the answer is always positive. So if it's the same sign, the answer is positive. Now let's look at the next one. Negative 3 times 2. It's negative 6. 3 times negative 2. It's negative 6. So from these two, we'll make another rule. If it's different signs, if one is negative, like negative 3, and the other one is positive, like 2, or 3 times negative 2, different signs, it's negative answer. That's it. It's easy. Now let's look at this one here. 3 times 2 times 5. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. It's positive because they are all positive. Now let's look at this one. Negative 3 times 2, because one is negative and one is positive, the answer is negative 6. And then negative 6 times 5, it's negative times positive, different signs, so the answer is negative 30. Let's look at the next one. Negative 3 times negative 2. These two has same signs, so the answer is positive 6 times 5 is 30. Now let's look at the last one here on this slide. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 because it's the same sign. Positive 6 times negative 5 is different sign, so it's negative 30 also. Now let's look at this strange question. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative, it's all negative. What could be the answer? Is it positive 1 or negative 1? To do this, I'll first look at these two numbers here. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So this is just 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Times negative 1 is positive 1. Times negative 1 is negative 1. Times negative 1 is positive 1. So the answer is just 1. But let's look at it in a different way. The easy way is you count how many negative signs are there. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative signs. If it's an even number, then the answer is positive. Because there are 6 negative signs, the answer is positive 1. If there is odd number of negative signs, the answer is negative. Right. Do you think you can try this one? Try this and comment your answer. Now, let's look at the division. If we have such integers divided, it's the same rule. If it's the same sign, it's positive. If it's different signs, it's negative. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is positive 5 because it's the same sign. Now let's look at the next one. Negative 10 divided by 2, different signs, it's negative 5. 10 divided by negative 2, different signs, negative 5. Now 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. They are all positive, so the answer is positive. Now 30 divided by negative 10 is negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Similarly here, there are 2 negative signs, so the answer will be positive. So it's just 30. There are 3 negative signs, odd number of negative signs, so the answer is negative 30. Alright, what if we have this? Now, we just count the number of signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know our answer is going to be positive. Positive what? 1 divided by 1 is 1, divided by 1 is 1, times 1 is 1, divided by 2 is 1, divided by 1 is 1, times 1 is 1. So the answer is just 1. Now it's your turn. Try this and comment your answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's all for this video. Bye.